Hello, comrades. Hello, friends. Hello, my good people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to look at how do you check your decoder serial number and how do you check for the version that you have. It's very simple. Using a Tiger T30 decoder, we are going to see how you can check for the decoder version and also check to see the serial number of a bus. First of all, you go to menu on your remote control, press menu, then you go to about STB. Get to about STB, you click on it, then you go up. Every information you need about your decoder is there. About the STB, you can see the product name is T30 forever, not T60 and not T30 as I said earlier. So the software version is 1.51. You can see it 1.51, and the software date is this May 2024. Is the serial number. You can see the serial number is the one starting from 2302131022140. Another information about the decoder is all in this place. Just a recap: how to check decoder your decoder name, your decoder software version, your software date, and your serial number. All of them are under about STB. And how do you go about STB? You click your menu, then you click about STB. It will pop up this information. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead of you. Bye.